I got burned by Julius Randle, who had 13 points, 3 assists, 5 rebounds, 1 steal, and 5 turnovers. 21 fantasy points today. Only 15% of us had him today. What were we thinking, man? What were we thinking? We should have known better that we couldn't trust Julius Randle, man. Julius, 13 points, bro? What am I supposed to do with that? I can't win with that, bro. You went 4 for 16 from the field, 1 for 4 from 3. You was trash. You was super trash. Man, why did you burn us like this, bro? So many people believed in you. Man, but it's all good. I bounced back.